Hey everyone, welcome to Jumpstart Masterclass on leveraging outbound calls and user segmentation to increase conversions. I'm Himanshu and I'm part of the content marketing team at Exotel. Today we have Sushant Kumar, Operations Manager at MoneyTap. Sushant Kumar currently manages operations at MoneyTap. His responsibilities are to work with different teams like sales, IT, payment collection to ensure the right communication is being delivered to customers through the right channels. For those who don't know about MoneyTap, MoneyTap is India's first app-based credit line. They are the leading personal lending platform in India and have over 10 million users across 40 plus cities. Today, we take a deep dive into customer engagement, user segmentation, and how effective outreach can actually help you get more conversions. Customer engagement is the emotional connection between a customer and a brand. And it's very clear that highly engaged customers buy more, promote more, and demonstrate more loyalty. That's why providing high quality customer experience is a very important component for your customer engagement strategy. And data shows us this too. According to Gallup, a fully engaged customer represents 23% higher share in profitability, revenue, and relationship growth. Similarly, according to a Salesforce report, even customers expect this. 64% of customers expect tailored engagements based on past interactions. If you don't have a customer engagement strategy, you could be missing opportunities to interact with customers, build a relationship with them. There's no single customer engagement method that works for every company. If you talk about customer segmentation, it helps teams discover what's true about their most valuable users. Without segmentation, product development is a matter of intuition and guesswork, and teams won't know whether their efforts are paid off or not. That being said, let me hand it over to Sushant, and he'll take you through all the steps MoneyTab uses in their customer engagement strategy.
Hi guys, so as Himanshu already introduced, I'm Sushant. I work with MoneyDap as an operations manager. I work with the core operations team here, and the responsibility is to manage the core daily operations for the MoneyTap. We will be discussing on few topics today. This would be user segmentation. Then I will be talking about setting up an outreach time for the customers, triggering out the outbound calls, and follow up and the churn management as well. So let's start. Let's begin with the first one, which is the user segmentation. So when I talk about user segmentation, segmenting a user is very important. You need to keep 2 3 metrics while you segregate your customers. We do generally segregate customers basis their response on the application. For example, if you are a customer and you have given a very initial quick response to our product, then we will give you some time to reach out to you so that you can upload all your informations on the application itself. We gauge your interest level, and then we will reach out to you. And then we have a different set of customers wherein after downloading the app, if you show that you have a query or you're not interested with the product, then there's a different team, design team, and there's a different reach out time for these set of customers. So when you do user segmentation, uh, helping the customers and at last converting your own customers becomes uh, much easier, and accordingly with the nature of the customer you can take actions also for them. So you can manage the entire customer cycle if you can segment your user base. So that was on user segmentation. Now let's discuss the outreach time. So as I discussed, so depending upon the action from the user, we have a different outreach time. If the user is says that, hey, I have a particular query on the product, or hey, I'm not interested due to XYZ reason, the outreach time for those customers is very less. So we in the chronological order, we would prefer these customers first, those who have shown us as not interested on the app itself. And for example, if you are interested, if you are present interested, and you want to move further, we give you some time before the actual core ops team reach out to you. we give you time to understand the product, to upload all the informations and all. So by doing this also, this helps to convert a lot better, because the tat for the customers, where you give some time to them to take their own decision on the app, becomes very very less. It also gives you a good jump in your customer satisfaction score as well. So this is on the setting out and reach time. Then the next word would be, let's just talk about how Exotel is helping us to get the outbound calls for us. So one major advantage being associated with Exotel is that your number is marked, right? So the customer will not be able to see the agent number. It is marked number, right? So the call tracking also becomes very very easy, and there's a direct integration with the CRM. You have already ready-made reports, you have dashboards which will give you all the metrics that you want in terms of number of dial outs, in terms of connectivity, how many customers responded, how many actually disconnected. So this is also one of the major advantage from Exoten, and you have a leverage of changing your exophone numbers also, if customers are masking you spam. So that will help you to increase your connectivity if you are changing your numbers also frequently, time to time. So this is how Exotel is helping us now. Also, uh, for example, you will always have set of customers which will require follow-ups, and who will at last will not respond to your n number of calls. Let's say if we are set up like your ops team decided that, hey, for a lead I will reach out to n number of times, right? So you will always have customers in your base who will not respond to your calls. So you can easily have a churn management system with the help of Exotel. They can like help you with the data, that those who are the customers who have not responded by end of the month or end of the week, you can set the timing, and then you can take those customers separately. You can have a different flow itself for those customers. You can, once you identify that these are the customers who are like not contactable for us, you can go back, look into your product, you can do some changes accordingly for them, and you can get a lot of juice from this churn management as well. So that also helps. So follow up and churn process is also very very important in terms of converting your customer base. So yeah, so I will just sum up what we discussed. So segmenting customer user base is very very important. This gives you a lot of specified flow to handle each customers basis their action, or basis their segment wise. You can have a different flow. It also helps you to reduce the tat also, as we discussed. And yeah, and on the number of calls that you made, you can always have a tab. You can always decide how many calls you want to make for a particular user, until unless you declare it as a I mean junk lead or not contactable or anything. So calling them frequently at a certain gap would definitely help you to understand that, hey, why these set of customers are not responding, and then you can take them with a different flow which is called a churn flow. That will also help you to take out some juice, and will help you to boost your conversion at the last. Yeah, so that's